Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So as you all know guys, I'm learning English, and what I'm learning related to this, I upload video on YouTube. So guys, uh, I have started 90 days English speaking challenge. So today is day 4. So in this video I will tell you only what will be our next step. So guys, I'm thinking you that from tomorrow I will start learning uh, tenses, because tenses is very important in our speaking. Without knowing, without learning tenses, speaking will be very tough in starting. We After learning tenses, we can start our speaking. So I'm thinking that I will tell you all tenses in easy way through story. I will try to tell you through story, guys. So what will be next? So you will see. But I'm thinking like this. So what I'm telling you. So we will learn tense step by step, and after that what will be next step, so I will tell you that all steps. So that's all for today. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for today.